phone on 1%. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. You're just gonna see what that looks like. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. You know it's Lojo, and today I have a wear test on a foundation. Today we are going to be doing the wear test on L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Like, comment, and subscribe too, boo. And follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Okay, so I already have my eyebrows done, set. Clean them up with the concealer. I use Fenty concealer, and I set my eyelids. So today, I already said it, but we are going to try L'Oreal Infallible. Okay, I'm extra. L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear. So yeah, you see I got two of these. So let's tell you the backstory. While I'm doing the backstory, I'm gonna prime my face. I already did my skincare and moisturized X, Y, and Z. So now I'm about to use Milk primer. So let me tell you the story. So I already filmed this video, okay? That's why I have to, because I went to Target last week with my bestie, Lauryn, and I was planning to do this review. So I was like, okay. I went on foundation.com and typed in my foundations, and it was supposed to tell you like the shade you are in other foundations, you know, so you don't have to like guess. So basically you go on the website, put in whatever shade you are in whatever foundation you wear, and then it'll generate what you're supposed to be in other brands. So I only put one foundation because I only know one foundation by heart. So I put my Fenty foundation. I'm in 385 in the hydrating one, and it told me to get 510 in L'Oreal Infallible. But get on my eye. There. But yeah, it told me to get 510 in L'Oreal Infallible. But when you enter them in, they tell you to put more than one so it'll be more accurate. I couldn't remember my other ones, and I was already at Target, so I was like, okay, I'll just do one. That should be good enough. And I was already debating between these two. This is 510, 515. I was looking at both of them. I was like, I'm somewhere right there. I just don't know. So I just got the 510 because that's what it said on foundation. So I went home, filmed this whole video, and you could just see light, dark. And I'm like, I can't post that. It was like I mean, I made it look cute, like the face was cute, but like the whole thing wasn't hitting. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just refilm it, try it again, and just do it like that, because I'm not finna be out here looking like no clown with different color foundation, face look different from the neck on YouTube. So y'all can clown me in the comments. No, I'm not gonna do it. So I just went back. Last night I plugged in all of my foundations that I have, all the shades, all the brands, and it gave me 515. So I was like, okay. And I actually swatched it on my skin last night, and it looked right. So that's what we're finna apply right now. Wet beauty blender, and just gonna go ahead. All right. So I had some storage problems, but now we're back. So yeah, I'm really having technical difficulties right now. So you had to miss all my blending out of my concealer. I use LA Girl Pro Conceal, first, and then I put some Smashbox 24-hour on top, and I got the bronze with this Fenty bronzer, of course, and Beijing Gal Fenty bronzer, and just gonna go right on top of my contour. I keep leaning to the side. I'm trying to make sure my camera is still recording because I don't have time for this to cut off again. Like, really, like, I'm already, like, trying to film. So, since I'm having technical difficulties, I'm just gonna go ahead and, blush and highlight. This is a blush and highlight in one. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do that real quick and then come back with my lashes, hair done, and, yeah, because this... trying to not let me be great. I'm just trying to film this video. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to be successful. But yeah, this is pretty cute. I'm just watching this timer to make sure it don't stop. And I tell you, I've deleted so many apps and pictures, it doesn't make any sense. I'm like, I just got this phone. So like, how do I not have no storage? It's crazy. Yeah, it just has a little highlighter in it. Alright. Done. Alright, BRB. Okay, so I'm back. Here's the final look. All I really did was... When's the last time you saw me? I put a little more highlight on. I put my lashes on. Bottom liner. A little mascara on the bottom lashes. And I put a little face powder on, and then that's pretty much it. So I hope you like the look. I'm gonna check in a couple of hours so you can see how it holds up. So I'm back. It is approximately 7 p.m. and I think I'm looking for my phone. I'm recording on my phone. I'm pretty sure I finished my makeup at like 1:30, right at 2 o'clock. So it's been about 5.5 hours, and let's see how I look. I haven't looked in the mirror yet, so. First impressions, 5 hours later. I think it looks good. It's a little creasage by my mouth. It's only on this side though, so it's holding up. But I set my, right there, my smile lines when I was doing my makeup. So, sorry. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It looks good to me. Yeah, it looks good. Other than my creased smile lines, everything looks pretty good. It feels good. Doesn't feel crazy. My oil's not seeping through. Sorry, looking in the mirror. That's a little better. Sorry, I was scratching my forehead. I forgot I had makeup on. Yeah, my oil's not seeping through. All my powder is still in place. Like, everything looks pretty good. Other than that, I got some tea while I was gone. I got my Curology package in the mail. So I'm gonna start Curology tonight, okay? And I'm like thinking about doing a little journey video but I don't know if y'all need to see all that. Like, yeah, I don't have like the worst skin in the world, but like it's still not cute. And I don't know if I want to put that on YouTube. So I might just take pictures along the way, and if it works for me, then I'll like make a little review, whatever about it. And I might record a couple clips throughout, like first day, first week, stuff like that, maybe. But yeah, and I'm in definitely a better mood because last clip, my phone was having technical difficulties and it kept cutting my videos off, and apparently I had full storage on my phone. But I just got this phone a couple months ago. I only had 8,000 pictures. I know y'all gonna be like, 8,000? Girl, too much. But like, my friends have about 25,000 pictures like on their phone. And I'm like, so how they got 25,000 and you cutting me off at 8? Not saying I wanted to go over it. I did need to delete some pictures. But like, that's a huge gap. The storage shouldn't have been full already. So I'm like, I went through, deleted a whole bunch of pictures because I got stuff to film, baby. I got content, right? Right, it's for y'all. I had to go through all my pictures for about 2 hours. I deleted like 1,100 pictures. And now I'm free. So anyway, I'm in a much better mood now because I can finish my video. So That is not the only thing that came in the mail from Curology. I got well, that's the only thing from Curology. I got other things in the mail. I have a bathing suit that came in the mail, and there will be a video about that coming soon. Keep you up on the tea. And then 3, I got some nail stuff. So you can see my nails. Don't look at them too close. I took my nails off in between times, so I'm about to do my nails, and I think I'm gonna record it. So fun little 5 hours in between I had, but now I'm about to start doing some homework. And yeah, I cooked dinner too, so I sweated a little bit. It was a little hot up in the kitchen because I was whipping in the kitchen. But yeah, other than that, I've just been chilling, you know. Nothing serious, nothing much. But anyway, I'm gonna see you. What time? It's 7. I'll see you about 11, 11:30, 12, you know. And that'll be the end. Now I'll do the review. Yeah, my final review, my final thoughts. And yeah, thanks for checking in. Okay, I just filmed this video. I made this outro and I just watched it back. I'm so glad I watched it back. So first of all, it's 12:30. Okay, 12:30 in the morning. It's been 11 hours, 1:30 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. And this foundation is supposed to be 24-hour fresh wear. Honey, it's not. Because at this point, I done looked at my makeup already. I look disgusting. Like, sorry to dog y'all, but it's disgusting. Like, first of all, I can't tell in this mirror right here, because in this mirror, it looked like I'm matching or whatever. When I watched the video back, I don't know if it's the light or not, but this foundation oxidized so much throughout the day. Like, when you go back to when I first put it on, it does not look like this. Like, it looks so orange, and like this, 2 different colors. This, 2 different colors now. Like, and I think it's the oils in my face, like, cause I'm oily, I have oily skin. So I think the oils in my face mixed with the foundation, and you can already see like oiliness right here, oiliness on the sides around my nose. Everything is like orange, and then it doesn't. I was looking in the video, I could see my concealer. It doesn't even look blended in anymore. It looks like it's like not clumping, but it's like basically clumping. And I'm like, what? Like, I've never experienced that ever in my life. Like, what? And like, I said it looked cakey. It do look cakey now. It doesn't look fresh at all. It was not gonna last 24 hours. It barely lasts 11. Didn't even make it to 12. Didn't make it to the halfway mark. So y'all cut on that part. And I mean, like, maybe I would try it again, like in the winter when it's cold, or like if I'm just gonna be inside all day, and definitely not for a long period of time. But any other time, track meets, hot summer day, or like going to the club or something, you know, you finna sweat, I'm wearing Fenty. Like, I'm a little biased, but this just proved my point. Like, this proved my point. So yeah, I'm over it. So it was creasing right here the whole time. It's starting to crease a little bit on this side. All my pimples and stuff, or like all my like skin bumps, all my skin bumps are like pulled out. Like, they look like they're more prevalent now. Just gross. I just feel disgusting. I feel disgusted. I'm ready to take it off. Use my Curology, get in a shower, and just get rid of all this nasty, oily gunk mess. So yeah, that's just what I had to say. Because I probably look back, I said, oh honey, no. Like, no, never. But yeah, that's my review on this. Definitely not 24-hour fresh wear. Didn't even make it to 12. Barely made it to 11. I'm gonna say it didn't make it to 11. It's definitely not a fresh wear, because it definitely looks old and raggedy to me. How about you? You can say it. It's okay. And it said it got sunscreen in it. I wouldn't know. I don't really use sunscreen at all. I know it's bad, but I don't care. But maybe it's the sunscreen make it act like that. It says breathable texture, respirable. Did I say that right? Yeah, respirable. Baby, it's breathing. It's I'm pretty sure it can breathe. I'm like, ew, it looks gross. Well, that's my review. Let me know if you've used L'Oreal Infallible before and it worked for you, or what skin type you are that it worked on you, or if you had the same experience, girl. Or if you on this video trying to see if you should get it, don't get it. If you oily, don't get it. It was like 11 something, and no, it's a waste of time. And I got 2 of them. 2 of them. No, don't waste your coin. They got $24 for me, just about, at Target. So no, definitely don't do it. Let me know if you want me to review any other foundations, any other makeup things, anything. If you want me to review anything, like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Like this video if you like these type of videos. Comment any other videos you want me to do. Comment, like I said, what kind of skin type you have, if you've used L'Oreal Infallible, and if it worked or did not work for you. And subscribe so you can know when I post my next videos, because bangers are rolling in all 2020. Tuesdays, Fridays, 5 p.m. Period. You can count on it. And while you're there, turn on the notification bell, because at 5 o'clock, you're going to get that ding. You're going to get the buzz. You're going to get the vibrations, okay? You're going to get the alert, okay? So go ahead and do that so you won't miss it. So you won't, oops, slipped my mind. Nope, it's going to be on your phone. And I know you be on your phone. So yeah, thank you so much. Please share this video for anybody considering L'Oreal Infallible. Send the warning, baby. Send the warning, okay? Let them save a coin. Please help them. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. Follow me on Instagram, Lojo18, and add me on Snap, Lauryn543. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.